All right, straight to it. So I got a question from one of my followers asking if it's possible to move charts on MT5 trading platform, just like how we move charts on TradingView. And my answer is yes, you can do that like this. Okay, you can do all this stuff on MT5 platform. All right, so let me show you how you can do that right away. Okay, so let me go to my Exness trading platform. You can see this is Exness and this is a demo account actually. All right, so you can move it about wherever you want to go and look at specific candlestick that you want to look at. Maybe you want to see if there's a fair value gap actually prominent at an area or not. An example, you want to see if this zone over here, all right, the gap over here is actually visible or not. You want to find out something like that, and you have to actually stretch to find out if price is actually doing something like that or not. Okay, so yeah, if you do your chart like this, it can help you. So right now, let me show you how you can do that. Let me use another chart. Actually, I don't like the white background, so I'm going to open another chart. I mean, yeah, right away over here. So I'll go to Forex and I'll open USD chart, and I'm just going to use a template that I've saved over here already. Yeah, blue black. All right, I think I like this template. I'm going to use this particular one for it. All right, I'm going to use a 5-minute time frame so that I don't want you to be seeing that line I've drawn over there, right? So you could see this particular one right there, I cannot move it, unlike this one. Unlike this one, you can see how I'm moving this one. I cannot move this one like that by default. All right, so what do you have to do? What you have to do is right click on your mouse, go to properties. Once you're at the properties column, you can just check here which says scale fees, right? Scale fees. Check it and tap on OK. Once you've done that, you can come here and increase the size of your candlestick on a chart, right? Once you've done that, you can move this around wherever you want to move it, right? So this actually gives you the ability to look at the candlestick into detail. All right, you see, if it's like this, you can see the wicks of the candle very well. All right, unlike when it is kind of like this, very, very small like this, you cannot see details of the various candles. Let's say what's happening over here, you cannot identify exactly what is going on over here. So it is advisable that you do stretch your candlestick so that you could see the details of the candlestick. You know, the candlesticks actually tell us what to do in a market, right? So if you look at this, right, let me show you something right here. Okay, right, let's say if you look at this, all right, this candle and this one, there's a gap over there. But if you have not stretched your candlestick like this, there's no way you're going to realize that there's a gap over here, right? So let me just do that for you. You can see that is a gap over there, right? That is a gap over there, right? So yeah, it's important to do this, and I hope by now you've learned how to do it. So once again, let me just take you through. It's very simple. Just right click and go to properties. Once you're on the properties tab, just tap on scale fees, all right? Scale fees, and you are good to go. Then you tap on OK, right? Once you tap on OK, just come to the side over here like this, and you can either scroll, increase the size or decrease the size of your candlestick. And that's not all. It enables you to move the whole chart either up or down to look at exactly what you want to look at. All right, so basically that is it, and I hope you do find this video helpful. If you do, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button on this video, and also like this video and share with others who might equally need something like this, right? My name is Godsway, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bless up.